This is the Dash Deluxe Air Fryer. Air frying lets you make delicious fried food without the guilt of using too much oil and without sacrificing any flavor. Our Air Crisp technology superheats the air, then rapidly circulates it to create crispy fried food in minutes. I personally love how easy it is to use this air fryer. Just adjust the temperature, set the time, and you're ready to go. With an extra large 6-quart basket, this air fryer is big enough to create easy weeknight meals for the whole family. You can do everything from French fries to fish tacos, and you can even roast a whole chicken. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is at the core of everything we do. That's why we work hard to create quality products, healthy recipes, and we have a customer support team based right here in the USA. So start making healthier fried food for the whole family with the Dash Deluxe Air Fryer. At Dash, we're on a mission to make it easier for you to cook delicious and healthy meals with real unprocessed ingredients. We believe that the path to better health starts with cooking, and that when you eat good, you feel good. In your kitchen and online, we give you the tools and the support that you need to make delicious, healthy meals at home. That's what living unprocessed is all about. Unprocess your food with Dash.